नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू झेरवाल एकेडमी। आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल झेरवाल ग्रेविटी। सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द चैप्टर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एज वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड दिस चैप्टर yesterday, electric current, and some topic of this chapter already we have discussed. So today we will discuss, we will go through this topic: Ohm's law, resistance and resistivity. So what is meant by Ohm's law? First, Ohm is the name of scientist who discovered this phenomena, this law. Hence, this type of statement or this condition or this phenomena is called as Ohm's law. So, what is exactly mean by Ohm's law? Suppose, let us consider, suppose this is resistance, suppose this is battery, V is the voltage provided by the battery, then I is the current flowing through the circuit, and R is the resistance of the circuit. Then as soon as when we increase the voltage in the circuit, there is increase in the current. When we decrease the voltage, then there is decrease in the current. So this type of experiment was done by scientist Ohm, and he stated that one statement. And what is that statement? That statement is that voltage is directly proportional to the current, or the current is directly proportional to the voltage. The simple meaning of this sentence is that when we increase the voltage, then there is increase in the current. When we decrease the voltage, then there is decrease in the current. So what is the exact statement of Ohm's law? We can remember this statement by this formula. Simply, the Ohm's law states that the voltage is directly proportional to current, or the current is directly proportional to voltage. But the professional and scientific statement of Ohm's law is that if the physical state of the conductor, remains same, then the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the voltage. If the physical state of the conductor remains same, then the current flowing through the circuit is directly proportional to the voltage. But we can call it simply voltage or potential difference. But rather than only voltage or potential difference, we can state like this: if the physical state of the conductor remains same, this is the statement of Ohm's law. If the physical state of the conductor remains same, then the current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied between the two terminals of the conductor, and this is the simple Ohm's law. We can explain it by the formula V is equal to IR. Here V is the voltage, I is the current, and R is the resistance, or we can call it simply constant, because voltage is directly proportional to current. So to replace this proportionality sign by equal to sign, we have to add the constant here, and that constant is the R, and that R is nothing but the resistance. So V is equal to IR is the formula for Ohm's law, and Ohm's law play an important role in this chapter, that is electricity. Now the next topic is the resistance. What is meant by resistance? Simply, resistance is the property. Resistance is the property of the material. Let us consider, suppose this is conductor, and when we connect the battery, that is voltage, to the conductor, then current flowing through the conductor. Suppose this conductor is of copper, then suppose current is 2 ampere. If we replace that copper by the aluminium, then suppose the current is 1.5 ampere. This states that when we replace the material, that is conductor type of material, then there is increase or decrease in the amount of current. So one physical quantity of the any type of material or conductor which is present in it, which can oppose or help to flow the electric current through it, and that property is nothing but the resistance. We can simply say that what is meant by resistance? The property of material by virtue of which it opposes the rate of flow of current through it is called as resistance. What is resistance? It is the property of material by virtue of which it opposes the rate of flow of electric current or rate of flow of charges flowing through it is called as resistance. According to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So we can get the formula for resistance. R is equal to V upon I. This is the formula for resistance. R is equal to V upon I. So the unit of resistance is V means voltage. Voltage is measured in volt and the current is measured in ampere. So the unit for resistance is volt per ampere. Volt per ampere. But this resistance was first discovered by scientist Ohm. So in the honor of that Ohm, this resistance have the unit called as Ohm. So this 1 volt upon 1 ampere is replaced by 1 Ohm. So what is meant by 1 Ohm? 1 Ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. The question may ask in your examination, define 1 Ohm or what is 1 Ohm? So we can simply answer it. When the 1 volt of voltage produces 1 ampere current in the circuit, then we can say that the resistance is 1 ohm. What is simply 1 ohm? When the 1 volt voltage produces 1 ampere current in the circuit, then it is said to be 1 ohm resistance. This is about the resistance.